Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Cooking station unlocked and the cannoli recipe labeled only way. Once done, gather ricotta, sugar, cannoli shell, and lemon zest. Put them in your inventory so you don't pause mid-craft. Make sure to stand directly at the stove and open the recipe menu. This triggers the crafting animation. You'll see ingredient prompts. Press the shown buttons to add each item. This immediate start prevents timeouts and locks you into the correct cooking sequence for the next steps. Once the recipe menu is open, add ingredients in order. Ricotta first, then sugar and lemon zest, finishing with the shell. The game requires that sequence to score correctly. While combining, watch the quality meter and time your button presses to land perfect ticks. 3 perfects converts to a high-quality cannoli. If you have temporary kitchen buffs or held items that increase craft quality, activate them before starting, because these modifiers directly affect final stats and can turn a standard cannoli into a top. You finish by confirming the final cook action and collecting the plated cannoli from the counter. Inspect its quality in your inventory. If the result is low quality, don't panic. Recook the recipe using any active kitchen buffs and practice timing to secure perfect inputs, because repetition improves muscle memory. If the recipe isn't available, retrace the only way quest steps and speak with relevant NPCs to unlock it. One key troubleshooting tip: reset to a nearby save and retry the craft immediately to preserve resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.